Okay, this is the video for 2022 Luetta Maple. Just installed the carbon monoxide detector, and I made sure that it's 15 feet from, it's actually more like 13 feet from the range. And here it is right here. I did go ahead and read in the guidelines. I think it's called the FACA guidelines, that it should be within 15 feet on a wall or a ceiling. So they did make sure, and I know the inspector may not have a ladder. So I will go ahead and press the button. I just wanted to do that so the inspector knows there's a battery. All right, so that's the first smoke detector out of 3 that I will be installing today on Saturday, June 24th. Over and out.